Hello friends, the topic is SAP Web Dynapro and my name is Himani Arora. I am presenting you the topic on SAP Web Dynapro. SAP Web Dynapro is a web-based application technology developed by SAP for creating server-side business application. Is a standard UI technology for developing web applications within the ABAP environment, utilizing the graphical development environment integrated into the ABAP workbench. Web Dynapro applications are characterized by their separation layout and business data reused through the components and support for stateful applications. Key features and concepts of Web Dynapro, that is Model View Controller Paradigm. Web Dynapro follows the MVC pattern which separates the application into distinct parts from data model, presentation view and the logic controller. Graphical development environment, it provides a tool within the ABAP workbench SEATO for visually designing and managing the web applications. Declarative development. Web Dynapro allows the developer to define the structure and behavior of the UI elements using declarative means, reducing the amount of manual coding required. Component based architecture. Web Dynapro applications build reusable components which promote code reuse and simplifies the maintenance. Web Dynapro supports the stateful applications, meaning user sessions and data are maintained across the page request for a more seamless user experience. Data binding. Data binding automatically handles the transfer of data between the UI elements and the application context. Integration with SAP system. Web Dynapro is tightly integrated with the SAP system, allowing for the direct access to data and the business logics. UI technologies. For newer release, the UI interface is rendered based on the HTML5 standard and the since NetWeaver 754 touch enabled user interfaces and also supported. Thank you.